Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kobe and this is SkyTech Digital. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to create USA and UK bank accounts. If you want to receive money from the US companies and UK companies, it is logic and it is nice to have USA and UK bank accounts to be able to transact your businesses. I'm going to show you a platform where you can be able to create these accounts very easy so that you can be able to work with it. Now, without wasting my time, let's get into the video. Now guys, this is the platform that I'm talking about. Now as you can see over here, I have two accounts over here. I'm going to show you the details of the account, and then you see that it is my UK and USA bank account. So let's take a look at this one over here. Now this is my UK bank account, and the name of the bank is what? Barclays Bank. Okay, so you have all the details over here, the beneficiary name and all those things. So if I want a company to send me money through this account, I just copy the details over here and then forward it to the company, and then they can be able to send me money through this account. Now if you look at over here, also this is my USA bank account. Now I can also view the details of it, and as you can see, the bank is First Century Bank. Okay, now if I want this I want a company to send me money. I've worked for a company and I want them to send me money. All what I need to do is to copy the account details, send it to them, and then they can be able to send me the money in this particular bank account. Now if you receive money, as you can see, my last payment date was 23rd February. That was the time I received my last payment. Now if I go to my home over here, you can be able to see that my balance is there, and then also the payments that I have received is also there. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can be able to create this account, receive money, and then also be able to send it to anybody to send you money through this bank account. So guys, as you can see, this is my dashboard over here, and this is my balance so far. I've withdrawn some of them, and as you can see over here, you see that I withdrew some money to my EcoBank account over here, and then also there was some payments that came through for me. So if you look at the last, that is 23rd February, I received this payment over here from a company I was working with, and then I withdrew 230 USD to my bank account, my EcoBank bank account, and then this is the amount that I received. This is the exchange rate, everything, the time they send it to the bank, the approval, the under review date and other stuff over here. So this is how it works. Okay, whenever you receive the money, whether in USD, whether in euro, or pounds, you can be able to withdraw it to your bank account. Okay, so when you create the account, you can be able to add your local bank account to it as a withdrawal platform, whereby whenever you have received lots of money over here and then you want to withdraw, you can be able to withdraw the amount. Now of course, you need to have a minimum of 50 USD before you can be able to withdraw any amount that you want to withdraw. So as you can see, if I go to withdraw and transfer, I can see withdraw to bank over here, and then how to manage what currency. So if I click on withdraw to bank, I'll be able to withdraw it to my EcoBank bank account over here. So let's say I want to withdraw my US. They said that the available balance or amount available for withdrawal is less than the allowed minimum, so I cannot withdraw because this is my minimum balance. So basically this is how the whole thing works. Okay, you can receive money on this platform to your USA or UK bank account, and then you can be able to withdraw the money over there. You can also manage your your bank account. So if I click over here, I can be able to add different bank account to it, and I can also delete the one over here and then add. So as you can see, this is the verified bank account that I have over here, and then I can decide to add some of another one too over here. So basically this platform allows you to be able to create your own bank account. You're able to create your UK and then USA bank account. So if you look at the platform, the name of the platform is Payoneer, and I know a lot of you might have heard Payoneer, and then I don't know if you know how it works or how to create an account over there or not, but I'm here to show you how to create a Payoneer account and then also be able to receive money over there. So now you can also order cards, so that instead of withdrawing to your bank, you can use the Visa card to be able to withdraw money anywhere in the world, wherever you go. Okay, so you can order cards from there. So as you can see, you can order card, and then you can also order card, and that is what Payoneer. So let's go into it and then see how you can be able to create a Payoneer account and then start from there, and then also get the UK and then US bank account working for you. Okay guys, so to create a Payoneer account, we're going to from your Google over here, just search for Payoneer. Okay, just search for Payoneer and then click enter. Now you're going to see the first one over here, of course, which is a sponsored thing. Now they said that get 25 USD when you sign up for Payoneer using my referral link. So I don't know what that one is about, but then I know that if you refer somebody and the person gets minimum of 1,000, the person receive minimum of 1,000 USD in his or her account, you also get 25 USD. So it takes a long time for you to receive that money, but then I haven't tried that one, and I'm not using any referral link. I'm just making a video on how you can be able to create USA and UK bank account. So we're going to click on this one over here, or you can go ahead and then click on Payoneer account. So I'm going to just click on Payoneer account over here. So you can go ahead and then choose whatever you want to register for. So maybe you're an affiliate marketer, you are one online seller or whatever it is, or you're an individual. So each other way that you want, you can decide to register the for the one that you want. Okay, so I'm just gonna say I am an individual, and then let's find the right account for you. So I'm looking to get full power of to Payoneer, both send and receive global payment. So I'm going to click on this one, and then I'm just going to click on register. Okay guys, so as you can see over here, this is the sign up form over here that you have to fill. Okay, so please fill in the fields in English. So make sure that you fill in your details over there, and make sure that every detail that you fill, it's having the government, your name should be the one that it is in your government ID card, because you're going to verify your account using your government ID card. So make sure that you enter the right thing that you have to enter. So first name should be your government ID card number or name, and then your last name also the same thing. Your email address should be accessible, and then your date of birth also should be the correct one, which is on your government ID card. Okay, so I'm going to fill in these details and then we continue. So now after filling in the details, all what I need to do is to click on next. Okay guys, so please fill in the fields in English characters only. So you have to fill in your country, your address, and all those things. Okay, so make sure that you don't use post office. So they said that your residential address, including full street name and number and other address details, post office, care of addresses, and public addresses are not allowed. So you make sure that you enter the full address that you have to enter. So guys, I'm going to fill in all these details and then we'll get going. Alright guys, so after filling all the details over here, make sure that you enter your phone number over here for them to verify you. Okay, so they're going to send you a code. So just click on the send code over here, and then the code will be sent to your phone number, and then you receive a verification code. And then when you receive it, make sure that you you enter it over here. So let me check my phone and then see if I've received a verification over there, and then I'll enter it over here and I'll click on next, and then we go. So I have received the verification code, so I'm going to enter the verification code over here, which is 678032. So when I enter, you see that the next button activates for me. So I'm going to click on next, and then this one is security details over here. So as you can see, we are on the security details. So fill in the fields over here. So your username that you want to use. So as you can see, the username is automatically filled over here, which is the email address that you use. Enter your password over here. So make sure that you enter a strong password. So enter a strong password and re-enter the password again, and then a security question that you want to set. So what is it? Choose any one of the questions over here, and then you can click continue. So I'm going to choose what was your major during college, and I'm going to answer accounting, and then the issuing country of ID. So the ID where you gonna they will issue your that you are using, the ID that you are using, where they issued it. Okay, so make sure that you choose the right one, and then the national ID, and then enter your national ID details over here. Okay guys, so I've entered my national ID, so I am good to go. So I'm going to click on next over here, and then they said almost done. So what you're going to do is please add a bank account for withdrawal. So if you want to add a bank account for withdrawal, you can go ahead and add your bank account over here. Okay, you can add a bank account whenever you want to withdraw your money. So go ahead and add your bank account for withdrawal, the name of the bank account and everything. Make sure that it is the same. You select the bank name. So let's say I'm using EcoBank Ghana, and then I'm going to enter the bank account of my EcoBank account over here. So I'm just going to enter anything just for you to know that I have entered the bank account details, and then the Swift code. Okay, so I'm just going to enter this ones over here, and then just click on agree, and then agree. Okay, so they said the Swift code contradicts the bank country. So I'm just going to search for EcoBank Swift code over here. Yeah, so it is this one over here. So I'm just going to enter this one. Let me see if this one will pick, and then as you can see, it works perfectly. So I'm just going to click on submit over here, and then they said application completed, review in process. You receive an email confirmation within the next several business days. Once your application has been reviewed, you start receiving payment. So they are reviewing your application. Once it is done, everything works perfectly, you start receiving payment. Okay guys, so as you can see over here, I've received 2 emails from Payoneer over here. One is application is under review, and then one is telling us to verify our email address. So let's read all the 2 and then see what it says. So they say that we are reviewing your application. It will take up to 3 business days. Once approved, we will send you an email and you can start receiving payment. Now let's go ahead and verify our email. So we're going to click over here and then click on this orange button over here which says verified. Okay, so as you can see, this is your customer ID over here. You have to keep it safe. Anytime they send you a message, it will come with this customer ID. So I'm going to click on verify over here to verify my my account. So as you can see, your email is has been verified successfully. Okay, so we verified our email successfully. Now we are good to go. So wait for them to send us an email to tell us that our application is successful. And then when your application is successful, you can be able to use Payoneer. Okay, so just like I'm using it over here, and that is how you can be able to create a Payoneer account. So you can be able to sign into your account over here, just like what I'm doing right now, and then you can be able to receive payment, send your bank account and other stuff to people to receive to companies and other people to receive payment from them. So basically, you can be able to log in over here, see your account, bank account, see your your balances over here, and then you can be able to get paid, withdraw your payment, and all other transactions that you have to do. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this video if it helps you to be able to create UK and USA bank account. See you in the next video. Bye bye.